Hey, everybody. Okay, it is late on Wednesday night, and probably again, this is releasing Thursday morning, but let's take a look at that RK ZXW chain in cool chrome. And here is what I've been working on. The Master Link, guys. Oh, that you can see it, ZXW right there. And so most people don't take the time for this, but it's very important to measure and get this thing perfect. With doing so, I'm talking within 1/4 of a millimeter. So what you do is you measure, say, in the middle of all of the other guys, and they all come up to 18 1/4. Right there, you see that? 18 1/4 millimeter. And then even at the ends, measure the ends, the same thing, 18 1/4. Now go to mine. There you go, at that end, just a little bigger, 18 1/4. It all depends how I pull the micro off here. There you go, 18 1/4. So within very small, minute difference, try to get as exact as you can. And so now I got the plate pressed, and I was using this old, I think it's a Motion Pro chain maker. But the problem is, as I was pressing the plate piece, let me show you, trying to get both sides equal. So as the plate is pushing on like that, it was doing, the right side was going in more than the left of the chain. And so then I actually took it off and I did just the left only, just trying to, by using like a different, I used like the riveting pin on one side and a hollow on the other. So that's how exact I'm trying to get, is the left and the right, I both want them 18 1/4 millimeter. And then the next step is to rivet it. And so I put the rivet tool on, and then you squeeze the hollow pins, either hollow at the end, and they will flange out. And that's the next step. Otherwise,
most importantly, that chrome chain looks amazing.
it does. I know. It looks so much better than gold. Like, poor Merlin. Merlin needs a new chain now. That's that GXW. So the GXW is a little less tensile strength. I think it was 8,500 versus 8,200. But this one is like 5.32 pounds per, I think it was a set amount of links. 120 maybe, and the other one was like 5.7. So the ZXW, you get another 500 pounds of tensile strength, or 300 pounds of tensile strength, but it's going to weigh 0.3 or 4 of a pound more.
That's not going to matter.
No. Yeah, we don't want chains breaking on the track. I had one GXW break at Chuckwalla, but it can also sometimes be if you made a mistake on your chain tension, it's too tight, and you're on the throttle or off the throttle and hits a bump. You could snap the chain that way. People break sprockets that way too. I know you got to keep track of your chain. Don't want it too tight. And of course, sometimes just length of time. So MotoGP, Robert, they change their chain every day. I think he said every day. Maybe it was every weekend. I can't quite remember. But we spoke with the Suzuki team. And they change the oil every day. I think it was a chain once per weekend, but even so.
Is that the same team that was like turning off the key because it's like they're so used to the.
Oh, when my BMW was in their pit when I was washing it, yeah, it's like Coda.
Right.
Yeah. So, yeah, they change their oil every day, the chain every day or every weekend. They strip the bike down all the time, so they can find issues before they take you out on the track. So, what do you think? Morpheus looks pretty good?
Oh, it's better to look good than to be good. You know who you are.
Yeah, all safety wired up. We got some bling bling, some Pro Bolt. There you go, your oil fill. Some bling bling up here for your brake reservoir cap.
I know, I got to figure out a sticker for the top.
Yeah.
You want to sponsor the top of the.
You mean the scratch right here? Yeah. That was I don't remember what that one was from.
It's just a love tap there on your,
your tank. It looks cool, actually. It's part of the character. All right. Well, guys, that's it for the night here. I'm gonna rivet the chain and call her a day. Yeah, there's those Radguard Australia oil cooler covers. Some HP wheels. Hopefully they fit on the 2020 BMW.
Not gonna happen.
Yeah. Gotta get some custom spacers. Yep. All right. Good night, everybody.